What's up guys? Today we've got the Apple Watch Series 6 over here. This is the Series 6 blue watch with the aluminum case with the LTE version. It just came in today and I'm so excited to open the first blue Apple Watch and I'm really excited. Let's get into this. So we start off the unboxing as every year by peeling off the plastic, which is super easy to do. Take this off and here we go. It looks nicer. There's less of a reflection and the Apple Watch. So let's get into the box, which is also a super nice thing, and I hope there might be a surprise this year in there, or maybe it's gonna look the same. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay, it looks the same, but look at this. Let's turn it. Look at this. I just wish you could see this. I don't know how to show this to you, but it is this blue, nice, gorgeous watch here, and I'm super excited about it. Also with that, I ordered the leather, navy blue leather band, which I'm excited to try because that one I didn't have. But then this other packaging just looks the same as every year. So let's look into the watch. This is the watch right here. If you could just see it, how wow. Okay, let's open it up. I'm excited. Okay, this is a little bit different than last year, actually. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's inside. So this one come out. All right, so the packaging is the same as every year, except now look at this navy blue color. Look at this. Like, look at this blue. Wow, look at this. Let's pull it out. Oh wow, look at this. There we go. I mean, it looks black on the outside, but then look at the blue color. Wow. And so what's new with this Apple Watch is basically the oxygen saturation monitoring, which I'm super excited to test out. That I'm really excited about. But this is the watch so far. So that's step one of the unboxing. All right, so let's see what else is inside the box. So we've got the watch so far. Normally we should have the paperwork here, which, I mean, is not really necessary, but then we've got the charger here. I don't know, is it just me or the packaging is different this year? Oh, is it longer? Oh, it is longer. I think it's longer. The cable seems to be longer, but I might be wrong. And that's the charger, of course, that we get every year, so that's nothing different there. And then we've got the loop. So this one's the leather loop, which I'm excited about. Let's get into it because I want to put it on the watch. Let's take this out. There we go. Okay, so here it is. Oh wow. Oh wow, I just wish you could see the blue color. It looks kind of black, but it's blue, and here it is. Now wow, this is really a wow. Let's take this out, take this out. So it doesn't give you two pieces, probably because it's leather, obviously. Let's put it on the watch. We don't need that. Let's try to put it on the watch. So I'm always confused with which one goes on top. I think this one will go on top. And then this one will go on the bottom. There we go. Go on, go, there we go. I think I did it wrongly. I think that this one should be on the bottom. Yeah, okay, this one should be on the bottom, so it should be upside down, but here it is. Look at it. It's blue with a navy blue loop. This is gonna be beautiful. Like, look at this. Like, wow, wow. Well, I have nothing else to say, but wow. So here it is. This is the watch. This is it. Like, if we compare it to last year's, it looks about the same, but here it is. I am excited. Wow. Well, if you enjoyed this little unboxing, of course, there's not much in this unboxing, but just wanted to show you the new colorway for the Apple Watch, which is super exciting for me at least. And it just, I'm excited that it's blue. Blue is my favorite color, so this is really exciting. Well, if you enjoyed the video, then please do leave a like and subscribe, and let me know if you bought the new Apple Watch, and if so, which color you bought. Yeah, okay. So please do hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video, and otherwise I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, well, thank you very much for watching. Bye.